In this video, we will talk about the model that is trained on a similar reasoning style of Opus 4.6. And the best part is it is completely open source and you can use it from Hugging Face. And it can run under 24 GB of VRAM or maybe less if you use the quantized version of it. And even Hugging Face models have also tweeted about the model. Of course, the model is none other than Quant 5, but to be precise, it's another variant of it, which was fine-tuned on the similar reasoning style of Opus 4.6. Here you can see like the comparisons. And yeah, this one is from Qwen 3.5, whereas here is the actual one from Opus 4.6. I mean, here Opus 4.6 is great, but I guess this can be solved with a few tweaks. I mean, it's like pretty close with what Opus 4.6 has given. Here you can see like a few examples from here. Despite Quantized 5 model just having 27 billion parameters, it is really comparable with Opus 4.6, which must have more than trillion parameters. And I mean the results are really comparable. So yeah, if you want like locally hosted model and like either you can't afford Opus 4.6 or privacy is your main concern, then you can try this model. And yeah, this is the model by Jack Wrong, which is 20.5, but it's refined tuned on this Claude 4.6 reasoning style. If you want to know about the data sets, like these are the data sets that it is refined tuned on. Not only this single model, he also have like a few other variants. Even like you can get like a GGUF version of this also if you are using like Llama.cpp or any other models, or like if you want like lighter version of models, you can even get that from here. Not only this, he has also released a new variant of like reasoning models, so you can also try one from this. So if you talk about like the differences, like here are the updates, new variants, like the accuracy is like increased in human evaluation, shorter reasoning despite the same accuracy, and yeah, only like LU is like decreased, but I think you can try this also. And if you talk about the size of this model, like this is version 2, and for the full version, its size is around 55 GB, and same thing goes for like the version 1. But like I will go with the quantized version, or maybe of this Q4 version, which is around 16.5 GB. So yeah, this must run under 24 GB of VRAM. But if you have less VRAM, you can go with some other variants also. Similarly, like V2 also have GGF model, so you can just go for Jack Wrong and there's collections, and based on like this V1 and V2, you can select the model that you want. And for now, like I will go with Q4 variant. And for this, like I will go with lightning.am. And if you want, like I have already created in the video about this. So link will be in the description below. And for our like our section GB, so this GP would be fine. And I will just run this. And let's wait till it creates a system. Here I'll be using llama.cpp, but like if you want some other options, you can watch this video. Here I have mentioned about 4 methods of running LLM. So either it's on your local system or with some other GPU vendors with free GPUs and stuff. So you can watch this video for more information. And yeah, our system is created. So just open a terminal. For that, you can just come over three dots, terminal, the new terminal. And after that, just go to a pinned comment of this video. So, or you can just also go pinned comment of this video also, and just copy this command. So till here, and open your notebook and paste it here. So for the first time, you just have to copy till this command till like first this, and just paste in the terminal, and just wait for a while till it just installs llama.cpp in the system. Or if you already have llama.cpp installed in your system, so you just wait. Or like if you're using like Mac or some other systems, you can also like check for you can check for these options for installations. But for now, like we'll go with the manual option. Here we are just installing it from scratch, so let's wait. And once our llama.cpp get installed, we just have to copy this command. So for this command, like you have to change this model ID based on what you are using. It's like if you are using this version 1, you just copy it from here. Or if you're having the version 2, you just copy it from there. And after that, paste it over here. Then we have to give the quantized version. So for this, like we are having this, it's Q4KM. So I just written it over here, and then just copy this. Make sure like you go inside the Llama.cpp directory. After that, you just paste it over here and hit enter, and it will automatically do the job, and it will just run this model. Let's wait for a while. And here you can see like it has like it is running in 8088 port. So yeah, you just have to put forward this from here. For in-depth knowledge, you can just watch that video if you are feeling this like really fast. So let's just wait. And here we can see like it has created this model. You can either just have this link copied and just paste it on any of the local browsers, and you can just use this like normal ChatGPT or something, or you can just also have like this same URL as a base URL, and you can use this with light LLM or any of the models, and you can use this like that way also. And yeah, you can also use this with light LLM with the same base URL. Just add v1 at the end, and you can use this way also with OpenAI compatibility response, or rather just use it like a chat application with ChatGPT. It's all up to you. And now I will show you the result of comparison of this model with Claude, Gemini, and ChatGPT. And I have compared these models based on logical reasoning and a classic snake retro based game and a landing page for a website. And talking about the game, this was single line prompt, and this is the one generated by Claude. I mean, this is like this is the one that's the best because like it has level system and this is star system that I like the most. And after that, this is the one from Qwen 3.5. And this one is from Gemini. I didn't like that the speed of snake is like too fast. Rest it's good also. And the worst of all, this is from ChatGPT, and this is the one from ChatGPT Go version paid. But like this is like the snake never dies. And for landing page, this was the prompt, and this is the result from ChatGPT Go, and this is the worst of all from ChatGPT free, and this is like the best that I feel. And this is from Claude Sonnet 4.6 with extended thinking, and I guess this is the one that I like the most. And this is from Qwen 3.5. This is also good. The only thing that I didn't like is it missed a gap over here. Rest is good. And this one is from Gemini, and yeah, this is from ChatGPT free. And for logical thinking, I tried first number series with Quantified 5 and Claude Sonnet 4.6, but with extended thinking. For number series, both were right. Uh, you can like compare the results. But in logical games, Quinn 3.5 made a mistake on the last question out of three questions. However, this Sonnet 4.6 did all right. And on verbal reasoning, out of five questions, both Claude and Qwen 3.5 made a single question mistake. That was even the same question, the first question. I mean, yeah, the results were really comparable with the high-end models, despite this model just being Q4 quantized of 27 billion parameter model. So yeah, it's really great model. You can try it. You can use this model when you want complex reasoning talks or like agentic AI stuff or tool calling and function calling. Or maybe like when you can't afford Opus 4.6 or privacy is your main concern. So yeah, you can just give it a try. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And first of all, I'm really thankful for everyone who have subscribed to us and make us reach more than 100 subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It really motivates me to make new videos. And you can also watch these videos. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.